We came to the waterfall and there are a lot of monkeys. Mostly baby monkeys. Which one has a bottle? Okay, the waterfall is all the way down. We are quite high.
Rainbow waterfall, but I don't see rainbow because there's no sun. Started with pit stops.
Done, let's go, nothing.
Are we halfway? Don't slip. I see it slightly though.
So what, do you wanna go there?
Is there a toilet?
There's more way.
Yeah. Oh, there was an iceberg.
That's all I got. I'm holding. Hopefully it's gonna be a hot waterfall, like yesterday. There is a mini waterfall on the left side. Ooh, not very warm. Later, cold.
So cold.
Ooh. All right, where are you going?
I'm gonna be just a bit away from the spray.
It's a bit cold, but still I am gonna go because why not? You are not gonna go, yeah?
I think.
Okay. Oh, woo. Later, give me 5 minutes. Super cold. Ooh, sick. I will go, but I need some time. It's super cold. Maybe I can smoke one more cigarette and get ready. We had warm coffee. Not very hot, but second try. Ooh. You can keep next to her, maybe. Okay. Skin cold. Take some photos. Done. As if I'm not cold. Yeah. Woo! Not bad. Oh.